Good morning, dear children. Today is our maths class. In last online class, already I have finished chapter 6. So, today I'll start your chapter 7, addition and subtraction. So, all of you open page number 116. Page number 116. Chapter 7, addition and subtraction within 100. Addition subtraction 100 number तक. Okay. Okay. First of all, we will see exercise 1. Addition. So all of you open page number 117. Addition also already we have done in last chapters. So see, look at the 5 plus 3. 5 और 3 को आपको प्लस करना. फर्स्ट draw 5 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 and draw 3 lines. 1 2 3. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What number we have got? 8. Okay, or there no number is there, then 4 ka 4. In this way we will do. Okay, now second one, 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. So first of all draw 6 line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3. 1 2 3. Now count all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now write 9 and 2 ka 2. Got it all of you? Then 3 plus 4. Draw 3 line and 4 line. Now count all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now write 7 and 6 ka 6. 8 or 1. So 8 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 1. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 1 9 or 7 ka 7. Got it all of you? In this way we will do practice. Now see exercise 2. Open page number 118. Okay, 6 plus 0. Already we have learnt 6 plus 0. So 6. 5 plus 3. 5 and 3. Draw 5 line. 1 2 3 4 5 and 3. 1 2 3. Now count all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now write 8. Got it all of you? 9 plus 0 9 और 5 plus 2 5 plus 2. 5 के बाद 5 line. Draw 5 line. 1 2 3 4 5 and draw 2. Now count all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now write 7. Got it all of you? Now see 8 plus 0. तो क्या आएगा 8 और 6. Draw 6 line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 1 7. Now write 7. Up 7 plus 0 7. 4 1 2 3 4 and 1. 1 2 3 4 5, right? 5. Okay, now open your page number 119, subtraction. It's a very easy exercise, that's why we are doing subtraction also. Okay, so all of you open 119. Exercise 3. Subtract the following. 8. First of all, you have to draw 8 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and minus is there, then cut 4 line. Minus means cut करना, 4 line cut करनी है. 1 2 3 4, cut 4 line. Then see 1 2 3 4. How much line is left? 4. Okay, then any number is there? No. तो 5 का 5. Got it all of you? Okay. 5 is there. Draw 5 line. 1 2 3 4 5, and cut 3 line. 1 2 3. Then how many lines are left? 1 2. Then write down 2. और 7 का 7. Got it all of you? Draw 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then cut 5 line. 1 2 3 4 5. Then how much line is left? 1 2 3 4. Write down 4. Got it all of you? Then 8 का 8. Up 4. 1 2 3 4, and cut 4 line. 1 2 3 4. Any line is left? No. Then write down 0. Got it all of you? Then 9 का 9. Again same number is there, then cut same number, then always get 0. Draw 9 line, cut 9 line. No line is remain, then write down 0. Got it all of you? Okay, 9 का 9. Got it all of you? Now draw 7 line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then how many lines we have to cut? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many lines are left? Only 1. और 6 का 6. Got it all of you? 9 में से 8 माइनस करने. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then cut 8 line. 1 2 3 5 6 7 8. Then how many lines are left? Only 1. Then 1 का 1 and 4 का 4. Got it all of you? Okay. Draw 8 line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then how much line we have to cut? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then how many lines are left? Only 1. Then write down 1 और 3 का 3. Got it all of you? All exercise you have to do in book, and after some time I'll send some questions for you in homework. Only this question you have to do in notebook. Okay, rest of the question only book में. Exercise 3-2. Each of the questions you have to fill in book only. This one also fill in book. And after some time, I'll give you some homework for you. Only this question do in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.